Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I received some Happy Mail, so I wanted to show you guys. This is from Nancy Carr, and she sent me, let's see what this is. I'm not sure. It looks like, it's like vellum. Oh, okay. It's sheets of vellum and they're decorated. She knows how much I love vellum that has a texture to it. And let's see, she sent me some book pages, old book pages. Thank you so much, Nancy. Oh, and some vellum that has little dots on it. I think you can see that on camera. How sweet. Thank you. And you sent me a lot too. Thank you so much. A file folder, yay. And this looks like napkins, maybe. Oh yeah, some beautiful fall napkins. Ooh, these are pretty. Well, that's Christmas. Look at that. That's pretty. Love that. This is fall. That's so pretty. Oh, look at that. We can incorporate that in some things, can't we? And then, ooh, I think this material. Oh, I don't have any material. Thank you. Oh, this is Christmas material too. Ooh, I got an idea exactly what I can do with that today. So that came in just at the right time. And then she sent me a beautiful card. Oh, and some cutouts and things in the card. Look at that. Ooh, those are little Christmas bells. I've heard you mention how much you like vellum, so I'm gifting you some. Also added a few book pages. Thank you for your YouTube channel and the lovely freebies you offer. I so enjoy watching you craft and make such beautiful things. God bless, Nancy. How sweet, Nancy. Thank you so much. I love this. Love, love, love it. And like I said, I have something I have to do. I'm going to do with that today. I was looking for little scraps of material earlier and I didn't have any. Okay, this is from Christine, sweet friend of ours that we met at one of the retreats. It says, I can smell autumn dancing in the breeze, the sweet chill of pumpkins and crisp sunburst leaves. Edith and family, hello fall. All the best to you this fall season. Love, Christine. And she lives, if I'm not mistaken, she lives out in Colorado, and she's already having some snow out there. And the deer are eating her pumpkins up. I love that stamp. That's pretty. So thank you, Christine. Thank you so much. And then this, let's see. This was from Lila. She sent me all of these envelopes, and you've already seen me use some of them. So all these large envelopes, I've got so many things I want to do with those. Got lots of those. And then I got this package from Mary Sweetlick. And let's see, I'm sending you some happy mail. First of all, I want to thank you for all the hard work you do in making the tutorial videos. I look forward each evening for your channel. You make a person feel good when they had a bad day. Oh, thank you. Yes, I do respond to your questions even though you can't hear my response. I just hope one day the new technology that we can converse over the videos. Me too. These napkins are supposed to represent glycine paper. I can't take credit, but credit is due to Polly Pelosi channel making glycine napkins and using of tracing paper. The laminated napkins are supposed to be vellum, credit due to Positively Papercraft. I hope you can use them in making your pockets, journals, covers, or tags. I got it. Keep inspiring new crafts and old crafters as you are my lifesaver during the pandemic world. Oh, thank you, Nancy. That is so sweet. Hey, if I can bring anything to anybody, that's my goal. Look at these. I have not seen this before. Hear that? Oh, I like that. And then these, that is on like a, I don't know, I guess this is like the, what did she say? Vellum? No. Maybe vellum or tracing paper. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look those channels up and see what's what. And then she even put this. This is our printout. And I think she even covered it with that tracing paper, it looks like. Yeah, I can see a little bit of it right there. Oh my goodness. Who would have ever thought about doing something like that? Look at all of this. This one she did. Look at that. I love the sound of them. Oh, I know some people might not like that sound, but I do. She sent me so many. I can't believe you did all of this. These are our printouts too. Look at that. Love that. I will be using these definitely. And I've got to learn how to do this now. I've got all these napkins. I love this. How sweet. Thank you so much. Look at that. Ooh. That is beautiful. And it would be so much easier to cut these, to fussy cut. And I guess that's on that tracing paper. You just, I wonder how you get it to attach. I don't know, but we're going to figure it out. We'll figure it out and we'll do a video on it. Thank you so much. That is so sweet, Mary. Started calling you Nancy. Mary, that's so sweet. Thank you. I will be using some of those as well. So thank you guys so much. That's so sweet of you to send me Happy Mail. And I think that's all that I got yesterday. So thank you so much. All right, guys, we'll talk to you after a while. We love you. Bye-bye.